Detoxification, natural remedies for cleansing your body. If you have ever wondered what it's like to go through a total body detoxification process, there are actually simple steps in which anyone can take that will totally cleanse the organs of the body. These simple steps and processes will leave their body feeling clean and refreshed, just as if they had stepped out of a steaming hot shower. More importantly, though, there are simple detoxification steps that will help strengthen the body's first line of defenses against invading pathogens and bacterial diseases. These are only some of the benefits from performing a natural cleanse on the body, though. A healthier immune system, heightening of the five senses, and a feeling like no other are some of the other benefits that go along with the detoxification of the body. Here are some simple solutions to the paths that can lead to all of these natural and great feelings in the body. Natural detoxification remedy 1: water infiltration. When undergoing a detoxification of the body, then your best friend then becomes all of the substances that you can ingest that will help carry you further along in those goals. One method to naturally cleanse your body includes a water infiltration. In this method, water is the only thing that one is able to ingest for a period of 24 hours. This will ensure enough time so that the colon is cleansed and so that the rest of the areas of the body can be cleansed also. This is perhaps the easiest way to perform a body detoxification, but it certainly works wonders inside the body. Natural detoxification remedy 2: juice infiltration. Just as water is the only thing that must be ingested during the water infiltration, the same goes for juice infiltration. However, during this type of natural body detoxification, one is allowed to combine water. But a couple of examples of juices that should be used during this body cleanse are natural juices that are raw in form. For example, it may not seem all too appetizing to drink a glass of barley juice that's combined with parsley, spinach, and fresh pineapple. Nevertheless, these are the purest forms of juices that should be digested throughout the day. The only surefire way to clean out the body is through healthy foods and juices like these that are combined to give you a total body detoxification. Natural detoxification remedy 3: saunas and skin brushing. Everyone may be familiar with using a sauna in their house or their local gym, but what about skin brushing? In fact, though, skin brushing has been shown to help the body in its entirety. Just as you would take a wash rag to your skin during a shower, so should you take a dry wash rag to every part of your body before you jump into the sauna. Brushing your skin will not only help relieve your body of dead cells, but it will also get rid of the toxins. Also, whatever the skin brushing method does not take care of, the sauna definitely will cure. These are all ways to make sure that your body stays healthy and is completely detoxified. By performing these detoxification methods at least twice per month, one is assured that his or her body will be in a continuous healthy state.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.